And welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, part 2 to the Sniper series. Not really, just part 2 to this insanity that I'm trying to pull off. Okay, we have sound now again. That's a relief. Is he? Yeah, apparently we still have a tier 2 world boss going on right now, so. Impact. Nice. Joking you must be, right? You've got to be joking. Sure. I just switched out that skin. It looks awful on that revolver. We need to go back up to where I used to be. I used to rule the world. See it rises again. Okay, whatever. Oh, God. Wait, can I melee this? 350 damage. It's not that bad. Could be worse. Let me see ahead. Forcing headshots is not going to be the way to go. Hitting people is going to be the way to go, but I can't seem to do that either.
World boss incoming.
Oh, lag. Well, I'm not going to blame that on mine. That was...
World boss activate.
I don't see him, which is a good thing.
Did you see that?
That was nice. Yes, burning shots. 5 shots.
Headshot.
Another headshot. Oh, now I feel wasteful. That was a beautiful toss. Nice. Nope, not gonna hit. Yeah. Sniper should not be here. I don't see the world boss, but I'm getting worried because he's heading in my general direction. Nice. Sir, you do not want to face your head towards me. Yeah, I'll take that. Yes, decrease damage fall off. Are you still there? Wee.
Right in the head.
God bless, I just no-scoped that man in the head. Doesn't work like that, son. You gotta aim for the head, cause otherwise I ain't gonna die. Not fast enough for you to kill me anyway. Hello. Oh, wow, you're actually... That was embarrassing. Glad that's over with.
Did you see that? They never
he's dead.
saw it coming.
Oh, no, I saw the glare. Gosh darn it. I have such a little amount of health that I guess it just kind of backfires on me. The fact that I spend no XP on upgrading my health might be my downfall. Also might be my savior. Nice, and I'll take less recoil, I guess? Yep. Booyah! No. No, you dare. How dare thee? How dare they? How dare all of them? Oh, he has a jetpack, nice. That was not the right one. Why is all my stuff is failing? No. Bullet revolver. Nope, never mind. We're good. We're fine. Oh, and goodbye. Nope, never mind. He's just at half health now. What comes up must come down. Oh, there's something there. Oh, there's someone there. The world boss. Oh, how interesting. That's why that hurts so badly. Whoa, that almost got... Where? No! No, 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 no! 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 Oh, gosh darn it. Gosh, dang it. Oh, and it's an upgrade for the AK. I mean, sure, but not very keen on using the AK.
Right in the head.
Yeah, frick, I'm gonna have to use the AK, aren't I? Why is my... Okay then, I'm fine. No, I'm not, no, I'm not, no, I'm not. Okay, I see how that went. That was definitely a sign. That sign said, do not use the AK. There's a guy right here.
Impact.
Sorry.
Marksman.
Never gonna land.
They never saw it coming.
Oh, no, I didn't mean to do that. Dang, he has some movement buffs. That's the world boss coming, the world boss is 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 coming. No. Goodbye. So long, farewell, I hate to say goodbye. he saw me. Nah. Yeah. Oh, okay. No! My teleport came back and it was a cooldown. It freaking ripped me off. Gosh darn it. Oh well. Wait, it's you. Oh, you're gonna rue the day you killed me, buddy. Oh, hello. We're both one shot. Here we go. Oh, come on. Okay. It's fine. I just... Nope. Didn't see anything. Well, I guess there is nothing... No, come on. Another glitch teleport? And as per usual. Oh, that's what I get for snooping around.
Come back, kid.
Thank you. There was something I needed for a while. Ooh, health. I could impulse. I should have impulsed. Nope. How many snipers are there? Oh, Lord.
Did you see that?
Denied. Ooh. Bro, why'd you stand still? Get no scopes. Blue AK. Fine, fight fire with fire. Except I suck at it. No! Well, Desmond the... Yeah, well... There's a ghost I haven't seen in a while. Desmond the Moon Bear. Oh, there's a guy up here, okay. Oh, you were lucky I missed that. What you didn't know is I decided to keep behind you. Let's deal, go!
Couldn't hold the lead.
Man, that third ring player is better than the second ring player. Something you don't see every day. Now I feel horrible because I use the AK. Maybe it isn't broken. I might just be sour. I don't know. To me it feels broken, but I don't know. Ooh.
World boss incoming.
Oh!
World boss activate.
Okay. Ah, gosh darn it. That's it. That's it. Oh, you got me. The Rocket Butt Gaming guy. Well, we'll go take revenge on the guy that almost killed us. And then we're out of here. Is that you? Okay, never mind. AK broken. There you are, you sly little... There we go. Problem solved. Now, I could technically snipe here if I wanted to. Oh. That's a decent spot, but you don't really get a lot of line of sight anywhere. And I put my teleporter there apparently. And he's gonna be waiting. Interesting, you should have that. For I have it as well. Except it seems like there shall be only one victor here, and that victor shall be me. And once again I use the AK.
Did you see that?
What godly unnatural force is killing these people? Oh, come on. Oh. Oh, how interesting. Oh, dang, was that in the feet? No, got him. You ain't teleporting anywhere today, sonny boy. Well, you got some nerve staying alive. I deserve that. On the other hand, oh, it unvisibles us as soon as we move. Okay. Well, as soon as we like do any significant action. Okay. Understood. However, can I? Yeah, that's what I thought. If I teleport, wait, actually, can I throw this and?
Never saw it coming.
That was the goal. Oh, it was the same guy too. Gosh, darn it. Yep, you got that right. You got that right. Stealth.
World boss incoming. World boss activate.
Okay then. I am not accepting defeat to that. Who dared snipe me?
Headshot. Impact. Hold the lead.
No, they certainly couldn't. Sure, I'll regen. That's fine. Ooh.
They never saw it coming.
That is... those are nasty sniper kills.
Did you see that?
Oh, come on, no. Can't let her get away. Oh, okay. Sorry, sir, but I hurt.
They never saw it coming.
Nope, and that helps a lot. Ah, I see. Not as overpowered as I previously thought, but still.
World boss incoming.
Being invisible is about to be completely nullified in 2 seconds, because I'm going to be your world boss, baby.
World boss
Activate! What the? Okay, well that was embarrassing. I see. There we go. No, I got disconnected as world boss. Who is you? Level 16, well, third guy. Okay, we're gonna go in one more time, and then I'm gonna end it. And very shortly, I thought maybe we could get Legendary Sniper. That doesn't seem like it's gonna be the case, because, well, the game really wants to screw us over, so that happened. And you know what? We'll try another time. We'll see if we can get it. playing sniper with the sniper again is just such an experience. I loved every second of it. It's good to be back. It's good to be using that weapon again, I gotta say. So, let's get back into this, and then... Oh, only 20. Okay, we have 5 more perks to go. My impulse.
The lead.
A purple AK, and I still lost. You know what? Good job, man. Oh, yay. Never mind. We're back to where we need to be. What?
They never saw it coming. World boss incoming. World boss activate. Marksman.
Even less recoil. Dang, I'm like... Let's help a fellow sniper out.
Did you see that?
You know what? Let's try killing the... Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Who was that? Bro, he's lagging so hard. Okay, I gotta finish this guy off.
Marksman.
Okay, let's get our last upgrade, and I want to go challenge the world boss. Oh, he's really close, I guess. How close? That's your answer. And of course I get sniped as I'm fighting the world boss. How convenient.
Right in the head.
It was you.
Hey,
And now it's not. That was a hedge. Oh, that world boss is going down. Peek your nasty head again. I am taking that crown, and it's mine. Try to stop me, I dare you. I'm coming for you, world boss, and you're not gonna like it. It's alright. I know I shouldn't use it, but I'm going in. And by going in, I mean annoyingly sniping him from a distance. And doing a ton of damage. He's holed up in there. Dang, purple AK is way too good. I'm sorry. Okay. I look a lot less terrifying from the face, don't I? Ooh. I didn't think I could survive that. I'm regenerating a lot though. I need to snipe him like twice. Like that. Oh, smart. Okay, well guys, I think that's gonna be it. Thank you guys for watching. That is the end of part 2, and we will not be having a part 3. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. I hope you watch some of my other videos, and yeah, see you next time.